Alright, today we're rebuilding a 1-inch Wilkins 975 XL2. Go ahead and turn this sucker off. Turn that sucker off right there. Maybe. Alright. Well, just gonna make sure everything's off. Good enough. She's definitely dribbling out there. There we go. Ports. Maybe that's tight. Yep. Okay. Cool. Now, it's got a spring in it, so it's going to shoot at me. A little back pressure on there. Ooh, that's pretty. On there for any nicks and cracks in the seat. Run your finger down there and feel it. This little rubber gasket. Pull it out. Yeah. Also has a spring, so it's going to go push it right there. Get the gasket. Check. Seat for any nicks, dings, and chips. Nothing. Now we're going to take this guy apart. Another seat in there, check that. Alright, now, build this thing. Go ahead and take that apart. Well, that thing's stuck in there, that's probably why that thing wasn't releasing. Yeah, look at that, that's good stuff. Good stuff, alright. Clean that all off. Bill has already put the new O-rings, caps. Piece right there. That little O-ring. He's doing that on this side. Good stuff. Now, with this one, you do have the weep hole. As long as that gasket lines up, where the holes line up, you should be good there. And we'll just put it all back together. Well, I'm going to let you put it back together. I'm going to stand back for a second. That weep hole goes to the top, and there is a piece of metal that's obscured a little bit bigger than the rest of it, and that just lines up with the top. And those bolt holes line up. Get started. The trickiest part about this whole operation is getting that thing started. That relief. Get those bolts lined up and started. things, you're going to do that cross pattern that he's doing while you're tightening it up. So we don't pinch one side down. Makes it a lot easier. Done. All right. You got two springs here. You got a long one and a short one, just like the rest of them. Check one is always the long one. These don't matter, and these don't matter. So Will's going to do check one first. Top. Spring. Push that down and apply pressure to it while he tightens it up. Only thing you gotta watch on that is that the gasket doesn't push out of the little crack. Close the ports so we don't get wet. We'll open up either one of the two ball valves first, doesn't matter. Nice and tight. There it goes. Never slam the valves open, always open them slow, and then we'll go ahead and open up the number one valve. Nice and slow. Open the other one. Water run through it. The air out. Keep on. Check for leaks. Nothing coming out of that gasket, or that gasket, or that gasket. Nothing's coming out of the relief. We're good to go. I'd say rebuild a 1-inch